Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video here, talking about a new narrative and a potential opportunity, basically, for all of us around Binance and around BNB, and we'll talk about all the coins that I think can do well in this video. Bit of a different video than I normally make in the morning, but this is something I wanted to update you on. I think it's a massive opportunity, perhaps not too long, maybe too short, but that's up to you, and we'll talk about that. But we're going to do a full update, right? So I'll tell you everything you need to know. If you're new to the channel, then welcome, and let's get right into it. So what we have seen in the last, basically since yesterday, is that a huge amount of volume and a huge amount of capital has flown towards the BNB chain, all right? The BNB smart chain. I'm not sure what it's called right now, but basically Binance's blockchain, right? So that's great. Just in general, seeing all of that volume come about, and in general seeing some sort of a strength there, that's great to see. But now the main question is well, first of all, will this actually keep up, and is this an opportunity, or is it some sort of a fad? So what we have seen so far is that BNB has been extremely strong, and it's trying to break above a massive resistance level right here around 620 and 630. All right, and that is the main level that at least BNB needs to break to get a real breakout above this previous range right here, and a breakout above a significant resistance level. So that is something, like, for now, just to cut to the chase, for now I think it's too early to call this anything but a weekend pump, all right? Most often when you see a narrative, when you see a category of coins pump from Saturday into Sunday, they will not pump the rest of the week. And especially given the market circumstances right now, which for Bitcoin are not that bad, but for the entire market, like for altcoins, they're not amazing. I would say be careful with this, all right? If BNB is actually able to break above 630 and hold that as support, then this is a real narrative, and then I think that there will be loads more opportunities with the BNB ecosystem coins, which we'll get to in a moment. But before we have that, just statistically speaking, like I said, most of these big weekend moves just don't last the week after. Now, I have to be honest, I mean, if you take a look at the volume, like BNX, BNB itself, something like Cake is one of the coins, Cheems, that's one of the coins, Thena or THE is one of the coins. They're pulling a lot of volume, right? So that's a good sign. That they're actually pulling that volume, that's also what I said, that's a good sign for the markets. But that could also be a good sign that it will continue. But we still need that confirmation. All right, and this whole narrative has come about, if you don't know, with Binance seemingly pushing their own blockchain. All right, so what we saw this morning is that Binance will list Cheems, which is a BNB meme, and Test, which is a meme coin they've made themselves. And this is seen so far as Binance pushing their own ecosystem, which would obviously be bullish. I mean, Binance is still one of the biggest parties in crypto. If they allocate a percentage of their revenue or a percentage of their profits in pushing the BNB chain again, then yes, something like PancakeSwap, which I'll show you right here, is actually undervalued. And then PancakeSwap can easily break above 2.2, which is the main resistance, as you can see, and rally into the threes. So that's a possibility. But outside of that, like I said, TST, the meme coin, is at a $420 million market cap, so you're not early. But this can still rally up higher as well. Same thing with Cheems, which you'll see right here. Yeah, I actually have it. What you can see right here, I mean, it's not even at all-time highs yet. I mean, if BNB is actually able to get this breakout, right, so that is most important, and we get some sort of confirmation that Binance is actually going to push the BNB chain more, then these are opportunities. But for now, like I said, it's too early. My conclusion is that it's too early. I've seen too many of these trends, too many of these pumps in the weekend fade away, and that a lot of people lose money. So yes, I think it's worth it to keep an eye on BNB. I think it's worth it to keep an eye on BNX. I think it's worth it to keep an eye on Cake, Cheems, and TST. But I do need to see more confirmation, especially tomorrow, heading into Tuesday, that we can actually hold these levels, that we can hold that momentum. Then I would say it's real, and then we can actually take some trades on it. For now, interesting, but I'm leaning more towards shorting some of these coins. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.